We're just pulling it off.
Yeah. That off. Switch out a new one. And I hope this goes as easy as we think it will. And get us a new drive line for our baler. The other one was starting to shimmy a little. Let's see if we can get us a little chisel and spread that a little. That'll help us slide that on there. You'll spread it just a little bit. Being cast, it doesn't take much to make it do a lot. A little extra gap in it. Help it slide on, hopefully. These boogers are heavy. About the best I probably actually should have just took it loose, but hang on, let's see what we can try not to smash everybody's fingers. You'll probably just kind of guide that whole end down there, and then we'll see if we can manage to get it. Hot dog, that's in there. Yeah, it's right there. Dang. I'll take that. Take that all day. It's a nice, simple. Unlike trying to get these bolts in. Or I'll see you might have to have your little hands for this. For Mama's. Can you get your little hands in there? You put that on here.
Oh, right there. Like this.
Mm-hmm. Might have to actually just turn it over. You can set it on top of it, I'll turn it.
Hang on. Okay. I think I've threaded it wrong. It's not going.
No.
Nope. What'd you pull it out for?
Put it on the bottom.
I think that's even worse.
No. You can at least get your hands on that. We went to the John Deere house this morning to buy the front section of this. $1,800 something for it, just for this first piece. Your CV, which is constant velocity, helps you in tighter turns. $18 for that, or $1,900 and something for the whole thing.
You're not going to put them all in yet?
If you bought just the rear section, is around $1,100 for the rear section. You have to come under it that way.
Well,
Around $1,100 for the rear section, $18 for the front section, or $19 for all of it. So I ain't talking too much. Yeah. That's it. Those two, and we got a wrench over there.
Which one are you doing?
I'm gonna have to turn it over, do the nut side on it so the bolt, the crowbar, we can turn this. Are we baling hay now? I think this would be considered almost like Amish baling hay, wouldn't it?
Yeah, long.
put that wrench on the bottom.
Should I do the whole side?
I had to put the wrench in this direction.
But this one.
Yeah, that's fine. Either one, whichever one you get on it.
This direction like this.
Yeah, put your arm underneath it. There you go.
I had to hold it. Okay. Use your muscles if you can get that undone.
Okay. One of the main things whenever you put something like this back on most of your drive lines, your PTO stuff, there'll be a little cutout spot in it to where if you put a bolt in it like this, the bolt will go in there. So you can get this snug, but it doesn't have to be super tight because the bolt is going to keep it from backing out. Catch it over one more little time. Keeping it snug does keep it from vibrating though. So, but it's kind of like your other end with your slip joint on it. There's no, you don't necessarily have to worry about it popping back off.
It's got
still got a gap in it. Yeah, that's just a gap so that later if you want to put that chisel in it to open it back up again. All right, so let's throw this back on. This is our somewhat of our rotation sensor, I guess. Not real sure what it's for. Okay. Okay. All right, let's cut our string. Well, it's just us getting ready for a little bit more hay season. It won't stop raining so everybody can get in the field, but just us getting ready. Thank y'all for joining in today. It may not be the right way, but it is the Cahill way.